Welcome to City University Ajman Mobile Application. You can download the app through iOS Application Store or Android Play Store. Links will be shared below. Through the mobile application, you can register your courses, do online payment, get additional reports, and get your transcript. Step 1. You have to access your profile through your student portal login and password. After you have accessed your account, the homepage shows the features this application offers. We will start by clicking on Online Registration to register your courses. Step 2. After completing the academic advising process, select the courses according to your preferred schedule. As you can see, after selection, the courses are highlighted in orange. Step 3. After confirming the courses, as you can see, we have a detailed summary shown: fee cost, books cost, and total payment. Step 4. As you can see, we have two options, either online payment or to visit the accounts department within 72 hours. Step 5. Clicking on online payment, you can see the total amount due. Then you go to Pay Now. Step 6. Enter your card details to make the payment. Step 7. You will receive a successful transaction notification message. Step 8. Click on View Fee Receipt. Step 9. Go back to the home page. Step 10. Click on Additional Reports, then select Class Schedule Report, then Semester-wise, and finally Academic Year. Then proceed. Finally, we have done the full registration process and we have received the class schedule.